stop playing with him.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jada Vinci. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to revamp your passion twist, and I'm also be giving you a little update. This is currently what we're looking like. I know, a mess. What I like to start by doing is just tying it in a knot. I do have 4C hair for anyone wondering. I have 4C hair. The items that you're gonna need: edge control of your choice. I like to use instant control. You're gonna need toothbrush or edges brush, whichever is your choice. And then finally, you're gonna need some hair mousse. But we just put the hair mousse all over our head. But a quick update on this hairstyle. I really enjoyed it. It was super long. Going to sleep the first night was a total struggle because I don't have an extra large bonnet, so my bonnet was slipping off at nighttime. To find out what worked best, and honestly I just braided it in one big braid and then called it a day. But you're gonna need an extra large bonnet if you have waist length passion twist. I'm going in with this instant control no flaking edge wax, and yeah, this is how I've been managing. You're going to swoosh your edges how you like them. So this edge wax really slicks down my 4C hair. My hair is super coarse and kinky. I didn't want to say nappy because I really like my hair texture. But yeah, it's really coarse, it's really thick. I suggest you try the instant control edge wax because it's really good. Don't worry about this. We're gonna just twist it at the root. Like we're gonna twist the twist and then it's gonna. So if you guys wanna try it, I would suggest you guys try it. I would also suggest that you do individuals with it because they'll totally last longer. So last and very much not least, you're gonna need to go in with the silk scarf or edges barrier. But I absolutely loved my passion twist. I totally think that you need 10 packs. If you want them long like this, you need 10 packs of hair. Unless you do a better job distributing the hair than me, you're gonna at least need 10 packs of hair. Like, this is the final product. I've been loving this hairstyle. It's been super easy. Just wake up, slit the edges, and go. Or you could just wrap your edges at nighttime and you wouldn't have to slick them every day if you didn't want to. But I have 4C edges and I feel like I try to slick them down every day. Like who do I think I am? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna be taking them out to start my 12 days of Christmas. I'm super excited about that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for Saturday's video. All right, happy holidays. Bye.